This year's coverage of Computex 2019 is sponsored by Corsair and eBuyer. Check them out in the link below. Hey everyone, welcome back to Computex 2019. We're here at the Corsair booth looking at their brand new custom water cooling gear, Hydro X. This stuff is really exciting. It's basically a way for people like myself that have never actually put together a custom liquid cooled PC to almost have the confidence, the know-how, get all of the parts together to actually do it without having to worry that I'm going to get the wrong parts, I'm going to do something wrong. It's meant to make all of this process very easy and accessible to people that haven't done it before. So it's all controlled through iCUE, but before we get onto that, we probably should walk you through what all the different components are. In terms of CPU water blocks, there are actually only 2 available, and the reason for this isn't because Corsair didn't have the means or the know-how to actually put all of this together. It's because they wanted to keep things very simple, very straightforward. It's ultimately a very complicated topic, so we don't want people to have incompatibilities and just end up getting the wrong product that doesn't work in your system. So we have 2 water blocks, the XC7 and the XC9. The XC7 actually works for 115X Intel sockets and then AM4, so if you're getting a latest generation Ryzen 3rd gen CPU, this is the one you'd want to go for, whereas the XC9 is for the larger CPUs, so 2066, STR4, Threadripper, all of that good stuff is with XC9. Both of them have full RGB, which to be honest, I'm not 100% sure I like the overall look and aesthetic of it. I know a lot of people will probably want something that is a bit more traditional and cleaner, but then again, you probably wouldn't be looking at a Corsair Super RGB CPU block if you were going for this anyway. But all of it's customizable with the usual effects and it will sync with everything else. So if you do want to go for a full RGB system, then this is probably the water block you're going to want to be looking at. But obviously you are going to need other equipment as well, things like a pump and a reservoir, and in this case we've actually got the 2 things combined together. And it's quite a smart little device, this one, because it's actually got all of the regulation stuff, all of the sensors built in, and this also talks to iCUE. So again, the idea is that you put it all together and you just click one button within iCUE and everything just sort of works. So this will regulate the temperature of your coolant by actually increasing the fan speeds as well as adjusting the flow rate through the pump. All of this stuff is done through actually monitoring the temperature of the coolant. There is only 1 variant of this available. There might be more in the future, but the main thing that they're saying makes this stand out versus the competition is that you get a whole host of different brackets that actually come in the box, which means you can mount this to loads of different cases without having to worry about having the right fitting. Because ultimately, if you find it doesn't fit in your case, you can actually just attach it to one of the radiators, and assuming it fits, it's just going to work. They've also got a full selection of everything else. There is a lot of stuff here. In terms of water blocks for your GPU, if you want to do a full loop, we've actually got support for some older stuff available at Corsair.com. So if you want a Vega or a 1080 Founders Edition, then you can actually get one of these blocks for that, but you're probably going to be looking at one of the more modern GPUs, something like a 2080 Ti. This is of course all supported here, and the idea is that if a new GPU comes out, they should have a block ready in around about a month or so. It all depends exactly, I guess, when they can start manufacturing it, but they're using CNC to actually produce the GPU blocks to mean that you are going to get a little bit of a faster turnaround in terms of when these things are actually available. And all of this stuff, I should actually add that I actually have this at home. I think the delivery is arriving while I'm out here in Taiwan, so we'll be doing a full overview of everything and putting together a full PC with all of this very good stuff very soon, hopefully not causing any leaks with some of their fluid, because they don't actually manufacture this. It's almost like a rebrand, I think, but they say it's the best of the best. You've got different colors available: red, green, blue, purple, clear. And then fittings, again, not a absolutely huge selection, but quite a lot of different fittings available. My knowledge is very weak, but I know that there are different colors available, and I know that they work. That's ultimately the main thing. As we move over here, you can see some of them behind me. There is a large wall of everything. Maybe we can learn all about this stuff together and hopefully not cause any leaks or any issues. So here's one I made earlier. Well, obviously not, but I guess maybe mine will look a little bit like this. I just need many years of skills, a much larger case and a lot more components, and I can get something very similar. But it's really cool, and this does give you an idea of just how many different things that go into a water cooling PC and just how many different things Corsair are actually selling. So not only the fittings, the tubing, the coolant, the radiators, but everything you need. But if you're like myself and you're not 100% sure on how all of this stuff works, but ultimately what you're going to need in your system, then they've got a new configuration tool. And this is almost like the heart of the whole making it easy, is to actually show you that if you put your case into this configurator and you put the different GPU and CPU that you're going to use, it will show you exactly what you need to get the full system, and it will give you a list of shopping parts. You can go to somewhere like Amazon and pick them up, or you can actually buy them through Corsair.com. And this is so important. What we've got here is an Air 740. It does work with non-Corsair cases actually, so if you have like a Fantex, a Fractal, then you can put it in here and it should also work. But it measures everything inside your case. It knows all the different dimensions, it knows what will fit, but it knows how much cooling potential you need. It gives you all of the different options, and it makes it much easier for someone to actually start, buy a kit, get water cooling that has never done it before. So the question is, would you now do a full custom liquid cooling loop if you haven't before because of Hydro X? Is this something that you're going to do now? Is it something that you're going to consider? Is the price about right? It is cheaper than some of its competition, but it's still very expensive. I don't know, let me know down in that comment section below. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It helps out so much you wouldn't believe. And of course, a massive thank you to Corsair for actually sponsoring this chip, bringing us out here, making everything possible. And if you want to buy any of the components, I guess you can do it from our other sponsor, eBuyer. Check them out at the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.